Hello, this is Timothy Perfett from Twocanoes Software, and I'm excited to talk to you today about a new feature we're adding into MDS 1.1.8, the ability to use the MDS Automaton to set up Chromebooks. So previously, the Automaton has been used to set up Macs, but now we're bringing that capability over to Chromebooks. So I've got a Chromebook here that's been reset to factory default. It's a Samsung Chromebook 3 that has, I think, Chrome OS 65 or 66 on it. And so what we'll do is we'll use this so we don't have to do any keystrokes. The idea is that we just turn it on, plug in the Automaton, and then it gets automatically enrolled into the Google Cloud. So let me show you to go about doing that. I do have a connection through HDMI that'll be able to show you the setup happen, which is kind of neat. But first, let me show you actually how to program the Automaton. So I've opened up MDS 1.8 here, and I'll click on the Create Chromebook Automaton, and I'll plug in the Automaton in, and then I'll click on Create, and it finds the Chromebook in the it finds the Automaton on the USB port, programs it, and it's basically putting the software on it, and then we can go in and actually configure the settings. So I'll do that next. I'll click on Configure Chromebook Automaton. It'll ask me what version of Chrome OS I have, and I'll select 58 to 68. What's the SSID that I have in here? And it's Europa, and it'll use that connection to connect up to the Google Cloud. We have WPA2, so I'll choose WPA, and I'll put in our Wi-Fi password. The username and password are the Google Cloud credentials to be able to do the enterprise enrollment. So I have a user I created for this, was fred@twocanoes.com, and I'll put in the password that was provisioned when I set it up. So now I'll just click on Update, and it'll write those settings down to the Automaton. We can go back in and just verify that the settings have been done. There they go. And so now we're ready to actually configure the Chromebook. So I'll unplug the Automaton, and I'll get ready to plug it in. I do have a adapter for HDMI. So I'll plug in the HDMI cable. Then I have an application that allows me to view the screen. And so there's the screen in the Chromebook. If I put it in clamshell mode or close the lid, we should be able to see the welcome screen. And there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Automaton, I'm going to plug it to the USB port, and then I won't touch the Chromebook at all. And we will see that it'll get all configured. Plug this in. There we go. It's plugged in. What the Automaton does is it waits for 5 seconds to see if you want to configure it in admin mode, which we don't. We did that before, and then it'll just start running the workflow or the configuration to set it up. So first thing it does is it connects up to the Wi-Fi network. So you can go see it selects or adds in the Europa Wi-Fi network, gives the password, connects up to it. Pauses for a little bit to make sure that you're on the wireless network, and then it goes through and starts the actual setup. So you can see it goes through and it selects the let's go. We're already connected up to the network. It skips that, agrees to the terms of service, and then gives the key command to do the enterprise enrollment. And we use the fred@twocanoes.com user, so we'll put that in, or it'll put that in. There it goes. And then the last step is to put in the password for that user and hit next. It enrolls the device, and now I'll be able to go into the Google Cloud and into the console and be able to manage that Chromebook. So you can see that it's done. The next step it'll do actually open up that lower right-hand corner menu as well and shut the Chromebook down. And so then I can take the Chromebook, it's been enrolled, and go ahead and use it. So I'll switch back to MDS. So that is the new configuration. We have the ability to take the MDS Automaton and use it to set up Chromebooks, as well as be able to add settings and change them as much as you want to. And hopefully it'll help people really speed up their initial enrollment of Chromebooks. So thank you very much for watching. I'll add in links down below for where to buy an MDS Automaton, which is at store.twocanoes.com. Also, our product page for MDS, twocanoes.com/MDS. And also, we have a very active Slack channel on the Mac Admin Slack called MDS. So if you join that, you can ask questions and do those kind of stuff. We also do offer MDS is a free application. It's open source. You can download it and use it. We do sell support for it. So if you do want some assistance, you want some more customization, please get a hold of us and we can assist with that. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe if you like this video and want to see more like it. Thanks very much.